Are you curious about why some cultures seem to have a natural prowess for mathematics? Today we'll be delving into the captivating book Outliers by Malcolm Gladwell, which holds the key to this intriguing puzzle. But hold on a second. Before we dive into this compelling exploration, it's time to remember where you are. This is Financial Intellect, where we promote that to be finance savvy, we are your buddy. Now that we're all set, let's get right into the video and unravel the mystery of outliers. The born in the first quarter phenomenon and the age advantage. Gladwell embarks on a captivating exploration by examining the fascinating phenomenon of elite hockey players' birth dates. Surprisingly, a significant majority of top performers are born in the first quarter of the year, specifically January, February, and March. While this may initially appear as a statistical anomaly, Gladwell presents a compelling explanation. Consider each year as a cyclical progression of months, repeating endlessly. Within this cycle, a dividing line is drawn, serving as a cutoff point for school grades. If you're born before December, you enter one grade, while those born afterward enter the subsequent grade. This unconventional perspective sets the stage for an intriguing revelation. Gladwell unveils the concept of the age advantage, where children born earlier in the year hold a slight age difference compared to their classmates born later in the year. These few months can have substantial implications. Older kids often shine in classes, being perceived as more talented and gaining additional coaching and resources. However, their advantage doesn't necessarily stem from intellectual superiority, but rather from the physical maturity that accompanies being older. The 10,000-hour rule and its influence on mastery and success. Gladwell's exploration continues as he introduces the concept of the 10,000-hour rule, which emerged from observing top performers across various fields, ranging from chess grandmasters to accomplished authors. This rule posits that approximately 10,000 hours of dedicated practice are necessary to master any skill. It emphasizes that immediate proficiency is not the goal, but rather the unwavering commitment to continuous improvement. The impact of the 10,000-hour rule extends beyond traditional professions and permeates diverse spheres of human endeavor. From ice skating to writing and even among master criminals, the rule manifests its influence. A case in point is Bill Gates, whose exceptional programming prowess was fueled by a unique advantage, an early exposure to an advanced computer in 8th grade. Spending countless hours immersed in understanding the programming language, Gates had already surpassed the 10,000-hour milestone by the time he founded Microsoft. Gladwell's investigation uncovers another crucial aspect. Children of affluent parents frequently engage in a wide range of activities, allowing them to cultivate their skills. This observation aligns with the second principle, the 10,000-hour rule. It reinforces the notion that if one aspires to excel, investing a significant amount of time and effort is crucial in achieving mastery. Language and cognition, a profound interplay. Exploring the intricate relationship between language and cognition, Gladwell presents a fascinating experiment. Students were tasked with memorizing the sequence 4853976. Surprisingly, Chinese-speaking students consistently outperformed their English-speaking counterparts, recalling the sequence more effectively. The key difference lies in the linguistic speed of pronouncing numbers in Chinese, which optimizes short-term memory capacity. This observation highlights the profound impact of language structure on cognitive abilities. Transitioning seamlessly to the next principle, Gladwell introduces the rice farming analogy. He argues that cultures familiar with the labor-intensive nature of rice farming are ingrained with a strong work ethic, increasing their chances of achieving success. This notion finds support in the results of the TIMSS test, a global exam conducted every 4 years. Countries where students demonstrate greater effort consistently achieve higher scores, emphasizing that success in subjects like mathematics is not solely dependent on innate talent, but also on the willingness to work hard. While all the principles listed hold significant importance, one principle resonates with me on a deeply personal level. The fourth principle, which emphasizes that success stems from attitude and effort rather than innate talent, has always captivated my interest. It embodies the belief that hard work and determination play a pivotal role in achieving one's goals, aligning with my core values and convictions. Beliefs that transform, embracing growth and the journey. Such a belief can be transformative, shifting our perspective towards success and reshaping our approach to achieving our goals. It promotes the idea that success is not confined to the privileged few who are born with exceptional talents. Instead, it emphasizes that success is accessible to anyone and everyone, provided they exhibit the right attitude and exert adequate effort. This principle underscores the importance of fostering a growth mindset, a psychological perspective developed by psychologist Carol Dweck. A growth mindset emboldens us to see challenges as opportunities for improvement rather than insurmountable obstacles. It encourages us to embrace failures as learning experiences, not as indicators of our abilities. In contrast to a fixed mindset, which ties our worth and potential to our inherent skills, a growth mindset posits that our abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. In my perspective, this principle isn't just about achieving success. It's about highlighting the significance of the journey towards it. It urges us to concentrate more on the process, the efforts we put in, the challenges we overcome, and the growth we achieve along the way. It dissuades us from being too focused on the outcome, the end goal. Instead, it encourages us to cherish the learning process, value the sweat and toil, and appreciate the small victories that dot our path toward success. Applying principles to everyday life, insights and applications. Now, let's shift gears and examine these principles in our everyday lives. Take the first principle, for example. Consider the grade cutoffs in school. How does this impact our performance in various areas of life? Does our birth month give us an advantage in certain spheres while making us less equipped for others? These are exciting questions to ponder and might help us understand our strengths and weaknesses better. The 10,000-hour rule, as Gladwell introduces, has much more to offer than a simple numerical target. It carries within it a treasure trove of wisdom, serving as a testament to the power of persistence, practice, and patience. In a world that often prizes innate talent and instant success, this rule provides a timely reminder of the importance of perseverance and the value of time invested in refining our skills. The third principle that Gladwell puts forward provides a powerful insight into the profound impact of language on cognitive abilities. It forces us to reconsider our understanding of language, urging us to view it not merely as a vehicle for communication, but as a formative structure that actively shapes our cognition, learning abilities, and our very perception of the world. Finally, Gladwell's fourth principle from Outliers emphasizes the profound role of cultural influences and work ethics in shaping the journey toward success. Painting a vivid picture with the analogy of rice farming, Gladwell unveils how cultures steeped in the tradition of hard work and perseverance are more likely to foster individuals who achieve high levels of success. The meticulous and labor-intensive process of rice farming symbolizes a form of work ethic that demands diligence, commitment, and resilience. In such cultures, the rigorous demands of farming serve as metaphoric lessons in patience and hard work, setting the stage for a mindset geared toward achieving excellence. These insights from the fourth principle underline the importance of recognizing the deep-seated cultural influences that shape our attitudes toward work, success, and diligence, thereby enriching our understanding of multifaceted pathways to success. Now let's take a moment to reflect upon what these principles convey about our journey to financial savvy. They carry a profound message that shapes our understanding of success and the factors that lead to it. From the significance of practice to the impact of cultural and cognitive factors, these principles can guide us in our journey toward financial savvy. In essence, these principles provide us with a roadmap illuminating our path to financial success. They remind us that the journey is filled with challenges and opportunities alike, but through dedication, consistent effort, and an unquenchable thirst for learning, we can not only traverse this path effectively, but also enjoy the journey and emerge at the other end as financially savvy individuals. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these principles. Which of them resonated with you the most? Let's start a conversation in the comment section. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into Outliers. If you found this discussion insightful, be sure to subscribe to Financial Intellect and join us as we continue to explore the fascinating world of finance. Stay tuned, stay curious, and above all, stay savvy, everyone.